Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Skyward Specialty Insurance, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Skyward Specialty Insurance. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the website. Once the home page loads, look for the Login button. Typically, this button is located in the top right corner of the page. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, move to the password field. Type in your password carefully. Double-check both entries for accuracy. Once you've confirmed that your information is correct, click on the Login button. Wait a moment for the system to process your login. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your account dashboard. If you encounter any errors, check your username and password for typos. Alternatively, you can use the Forgot Password link if you need to reset your password. Follow the prompts for password recovery if necessary. Once logged in, you are ready to explore your account features. Feel free to navigate through the various options available to you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.